In this video, I'm going to describe to you how I'm going to go from zero to $2,500 in the next 7 to 8 months, every single month. So $2,500 per month, and that you're going to be able to follow me on my journey so that you can consider doing this for yourself as well. Let's get into it. So as you probably already know, if you're following this channel, I've been a content creator, an affiliate marketer, lead generation expert, short form content expert. I work for multiple software companies, and then I have my own short form content clients as well. But I'm always at heart an affiliate. So I'm always constantly wanting to learn more strategies about how to make money online using other people's products and services. And so one of my best friends, his name is Jamar, is actually one of my business partners with the software that we have together. About a year ago or so, came up to me and said, "Hey, I'm finding this out about Amazon, and it's this new thing that's coming out, and I'm really excited about it. And it's not Amazon affiliate marketing; it is a form of affiliate marketing, but it's something called the Amazon Influencer Program." And I've never heard of it before. I didn't about a year ago, and I was skeptical. I was pretty skeptical. You know, Jamar, I trust him wholeheartedly, but I just had too many questions where I didn't quite understand it. I was like, wait, okay, what's the difference between this and normal affiliate marketing? So I'm just going to toss out links and make videos, and how is this all going to work? Long story short, he's been bugging me about it for about a year now, and I'm so glad he did, because finally, about a month and a half ago, I started. I said, fine, whatever, Jamar, I'm going to give it a shot, because he and a bunch of people that he's been working with have been having amazing results. And so I've been trying it for, and I wouldn't talk about something that I haven't tried for a while. So I've been doing this for a month and a half. Again, I make a lot of money different ways, but this way I've never done before. And so I did the prerequisites. I applied for the program. I got approved. So I started just creating a lot of different videos. And this is kind of what the influencer program for Amazon is about, is you get accepted to it as an influencer, and you create video reviews. Now, whenever I used to think about video reviews, I would think about the old way, like trying to blog and get your video reviews on, try to do YouTube videos and get your video reviews on. That's just slow as molasses. Why would you ever want to do that? And I've tried it before, and I literally made zero money doing that, really. And a lot of people talk about how to make money with Amazon affiliate program, and it is still nice, especially if you only focus on short form content for that. But when you get accepted into the Amazon influencer program, you literally are partnering up with Amazon as one of their influencers. So you create video reviews, and they can literally be plugged into the Amazon website. So when people are literally surfing the Amazon site to buy things, they can come upon your video, and if they watch it for about 30 seconds and then continue to convert and buy, you get paid a commission. And so why is this 1,000 times better than the normal affiliate program? It's because Amazon is driving all the traffic. I have made probably over 1,500 to 1,600 TikTok videos in my lifetime so far. And the biggest pet peeve I have about TikTok or any kind of short form content is that after a week or two, it goes away. All that content that I put together I worked really hard for, put it out there. You have to keep creating more content, or it just goes away. I hate that. I love evergreen. I like doing work once, getting paid for it for a long time. And so this is why I all of a sudden saw the light. I said, Jamar, I got to give it to you, buddy. Like, I wish that I joined this over a year ago. And I am loving every single second of it. So within the last month and a half, all I've done really is go around my house, find every single product that I can find. Because every product that you go around your house and buy, like for example, this I did a review on. It's a gimbal, and you just talk about it for very simple 2 to 3 minutes. Say why you bought it, why it's good, how it works, is it durable, would you recommend it to others, how it feels. And so it's really not salesy at all. You're literally just sharing your opinion on why you buy something and why someone might like it. And guess what? This is the best part. When you publish that video, you have a chance of being ranked on Amazon, the website. So when someone goes on their phone and they're scrolling right here, they're like, man, maybe I want a gimbal. I saw some of those really cool gimbals and I wonder what that's about. They find that product. they're looking at the reviews, they see the video, they say, hey, what's this one about? I want to see what it looks like. I want to see what someone has to say about it. When they open that up and it helps them, gives them value, and they say, wow, this is something that I do kind of want, I get paid a commission for helping that person become a customer for Amazon. So the customer's happy, they get a product that they already wanted, and they got to see, hey, this is something I want. Amazon's happy because we helped convert them, and I'm happy because of my review, I was able to earn a little bit of income by sharing my honest and true opinion. What in the world could possibly be better than this program itself? So why am I making this video? I'm going to be posting videos a lot more frequently, just because every day, one of my favorite times of the day is around 7 a.m. is when I get to see how much I made the day prior from all my efforts before. So I did mention that I have 300 product reviews right now. From now until about January, my goal is to have 1,250 product reviews. And why is this important? Because every single product review is literally a mini income stream for me. Some of them don't rank, some of them do, but every single day I'm getting paid little chunks and pieces of income from all these different sources. And it's such a magical and beautiful thing. It's really fun. So I'm wanting to backtrack a little bit because I've been documenting it. So I'll be making videos about my first couple days, my first week, because I'm about a month and a half in right now. But I'm really wanting to share my journey with you. I think this is so neat. I'm actually extremely excited about it. Like I said, I got so sick of doing high ticket affiliate marketing, trying, hoping and praying to the gods everywhere. I hope I get a high ticket. A high ticket, by the way, if you don't know, in affiliate marketing is like a higher product commission. So if someone buys something for like $4,000 that I recommend because I think it's good, if I'm an affiliate for that product, I usually get a cut of that. And that's kind of what affiliate marketing is in general. But I hate it depending on all these different things and kind of always throwing out different videos all the time. And if you stop making videos and you stop making money, it's like, it's still fun, but like, it's just kind of stressful, to be honest with you. And with me working from home and trying to provide for my son and having another one on the way, it's like, I love predictable income. Predictable income is like when you do it once, you know that money's coming in. And what better program to partner with in the entire world right now than with Amazon? Amazon is actually making about $1 billion per day with a B, 1 billion. So why would you not want to be a part of that? And so why am I sharing this with you? One, I want to keep myself accountable. Two, I enjoy sharing my results, showing you guys what works, what doesn't. Three, this might be something that you eventually want to do for yourself. And it's not something that you can just sign up for right away. There are different steps and procedures. So along the way, I'll be able to give you guys the exact courses and webinars and workshops that I took to make sure that I got approved, because there is a legit process. It's an influencer program. So if you don't have any kind of social media following, you're not an influencer. So you can't just be approved willy-nilly. They want to make sure that people who join this program actually influence people, hence influencer program. So if you're not willing to do that, that's all, that's fine. If you like to learn this stuff, great. If not, great. But let me know in the comments if this is something that kind of excites you, because like I said, I wish I actually took the advice of my good friend a year ago, because maybe, I'm shooting just to give you guys kind of like a clear view update. I'm already at about $1,000 per month, a month and a half in. And so my goal is, to make way more than that. I'm hoping to make 5,000 something by January, but I wanted to make sure that I put a reasonable goal for the first couple of months. And so that way complete beginners can see, hey, is this something that I can do? Is it doable? What is Logan doing every day to get these kinds of results? So all in all, I'm just excited. I'm excited for you guys to be here, to follow this journey. If you guys have questions, I'm here for that. Eventually, I'll be partnering up with some of my good friends too. That a big thing that people are facing who want to join this program is that they don't have a following. So they're creating a 5-day challenge, I believe, and I'll give you guys more info later to help get you your first 100, 200, 300, 400 followers, so that you can start applying for this program and start doing Amazon reviews every day. And so it's been a lot of fun. Like I said, it's fun for me because I'm learning something new when I felt like I was pretty much bored before, because I felt like I got the hang of a lot of like short form content. And so now every day I'm learning new stuff, kind of like a, what would you say, like a kid going to like a go-kart place. You're just zooming around trying to learn new things. And as opposed to like being there every day for the last year and a half, it's like you kind of get bored. So yeah, I'm excited, and it's fun because I can. My wife can give me things to review that she has that she owns, and I ask, why did you buy this or why did you like this? And so I'm able to have my wife be a little bit more involved in this in my business process for once, because 4 years of doing business, like my wife isn't too involved or really wants to be in business, and that's totally fine, right? Because not everyone is entrepreneur minded, but it is kind of fun to actually be able to talk about something entrepreneurial and that is very easily understood, which is Amazon, because she orders Amazon all the time. So it's kind of fun to be like, hey, if you're going to purchase something, make sure to get it from Amazon so that I can do a review on it, and we can hopefully earn a little bit back from our investment. And so that's the fun part, right? Who doesn't love Amazon? So hopefully you guys are excited about this series. Like I said, I'm going to try to do one every day or every other day. Obviously, I may miss a day or two, but I'm going to always update you guys for the days that I missed. And I think that this is going to be a fun project. Like right now, I'm more excited about this than probably a lot of other things. So yeah, I want to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think about this? Um, the nice thing about this, guys, is it's a domino effect. This program has been out for around a year and a half, maybe. I'm not exactly sure the exact date, but now Walmart's thinking about doing something similar. I bet you anything Best Buy and Target will follow suit thereafter. So very simple, very easy products to do. Even the most simple ones, like for example, let's see, this water bottle, like right, I reviewed this, the simple water bottle, wipes for my son, diapers for my son, my mouse pad, my mouse. Every single thing that I touch and look at pretty much is on Amazon. So it's amazing. And I've had to have a lot of mind shift changes because I'm like, hey, what about this? What about that? And this is what's great about if you do decide to kind of join this community where there's 300 of us trying to figure this out together, and we're all giving value. We're all saying, hey, works. And so it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun because we all have our own little Amazon businesses, and we're learning and growing and developing. And that's the kind of people I want to be around anyways. So excited to have you guys here. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.
Report to the dance floor. The bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going airborne.